Good morning, everybody. Thursday, November 18th. We got what we expected yesterday. We had that long sideways move. We had just a little bit of a bump up here on the green line where this low came in at the green line low at 22.32. We bumped up, drifted back down, and then went into this kind of a triangle pattern, bottomed out on the green line and the blue line here. And right after that, bottomed out as the green line started to step up. The market started to trade up accordingly. We had some down pressure on the blue line here, which was countering the green line, kept it a little bit suppressed. And then when the blue line turned, we got a little bit of a burst up, and we've just come out of this little low area on the green line. We're there now, so we're going to look for that to push up from here. And we have this area that we talked about yesterday where we're going to get this expected high before a move down, and then we should double tap or make a little slightly higher high on Friday. So relating that to the Vedic chart with the timing windows, we're in this window right now, and as you can see, we drifted up into this new high. Now we're at the crossover of the A2 and B2 window, the white and the bright green here. You can see the rectangles in the area that overlap, and I marked in the two vertical lines, which are just indicating the white panel on A1 and the green panel on A1. And as you can see, we made a high in the green window, drifted back down to the beginning of the white window, and as we've mentioned numerous times, the beginnings and endings of these windows are often important reversal points. So now we've got another trigger sitting right there over the next hour. So we'll see if we get a push back down, and then it's possible we get a push back down between the vertical lines, or we make a move down and we come up and make another high while we're still in this window on that blue line. There's another window later today, but it's 1445, and then the green is at 1450. The white A1 trigger is 1526. So there's a chance there for a decent trade later in the day if you want to keep your eye out for that. And then tonight there's another window between 2213 and 12 minutes after midnight here on the B1 panel. And the two projected times in there are going to be around 22:22 and 23:32. So that's kind of the general indications. Those of you who have the tools can use your other triggers accordingly. I'm not going to go over those on the video. We are expecting to push a bit higher here and then make our intra-week high tomorrow and then turn down next week. It looks like we're going to have downward pressure, and we're going to be down all week next week. So that's it for today. We'll be back again Friday with another video. We'll talk to you guys then.